Hi guys, so I was scammed of 2 million naira and I really want to share the story of how I was scammed. I still can't believe this happened to me. Just last week, I lost 2 million naira to a scam. I am sharing this because I don't want anyone else to fall for it. So last month, I was looking for a good investment opportunity. I've been saving up and I wanted my money to work for me. So, as a makeup artist, you still need to invest to have a passive income. Okay. So, I saw this page on Instagram promoting a new crypto investment platform. The testimonial I saw, they really looked good. The videos, the comments, people were thanking them for helping them double their money. I checked the page. The page was over 20k followers and it had a lot of engagement. I thought, okay, this look legit. Then they even have had a WhatsApp number for customer service and a Nigerian number at that. So I messaged them. The person I chatted with looked very professional, sounded very professional. They explained how the platform works. Minimum investment was 500k and the maximum you could invest is 5 million. And they told me I'll be getting 50% return of my investment in 1 week. They showed me proof of other people cashing out and they even offered a first timer discount if I invested within 24 hours. I said, okay, no problem. Then I asked them, how do I know if this is not a scam? And they replied me, they sent me a CAC registration that they are registered, that they even had head office in Lagos, and they've helped over 300 Nigerians to earn passive income. So when I checked the CAC, my mind didn't go that this CAC was fake because I thought I had done my due diligence. After a lot of thinking, I decided to invest 2 million naira. My hard earned money, the money I have saved. They sent me a bank account, but this bank account had a personal name, which should have been a red flag for me. I transferred the money. They confirmed the receipt and told me the returns would reflect in 7 days. I said, okay, no problem. At the same time, I was feeling very nervous, but I was still excited that, oh, in 7 days, I'll be getting 50% return from my investment. So I remember telling myself that if this really works, have, um, I'll finally have financial freedom, which is everybody's prayer. Okay. So the first day, I got a daily update from them. Your investment is growing well. The second day, the same thing until the third day. I still got a notification and was like, oh, this is not a scam. On the fourth day, I didn't get any notification and I sent them a message while I wait for their response. I didn't get any response from them. I had to wait till the fifth day. The fifth day, the same thing. I later went on to check their Instagram page only for me to find out that it has disappeared. Then on the sixth day, I sent them a WhatsApp message that I couldn't find them on Instagram, like what's up with my money and all that. They were not responding. At this point of my life, I was in shock. I called my bank, but the transfer had already gone through and the account was empty. So I reported the issue to the police and the EFCC, but the chance of getting my money back are slim. I started checking online, reading online, just to get information. And I found out that they had scammed so many people. I found out that they have scammed a lot of people online. And I'm sorry, guys, because I'm trying to get myself together. I cried myself out and I called my family. I called my mom and explained to her this is what I went through. My family were there for me and they consoled me. They were like telling me to ensure that next time I do my due diligence before I go into any investment I see, and I should make sure that they are real. But the truth is, scams these days, you can't even dictate when it is fake or when it is real because they are becoming smarter every day. And I don't know how people feel scamming people of their hard earned money. In this situation that the country we are in is getting tougher every day, and people are looking for ways to double their money, to elevate themselves, to bring themselves out of this thing called poverty. Anyways, I was scammed and yeah, I lost my money, but at the same time, I got wisdom. So I'm here to tell you guys, please be careful out there. Ensure you know what you're going into before you invest your money into it, and be careful of any investment opportunity you see online. Make sure you do your due diligence before you go in to invest your money. Ensure you know them, and or in fact go online, anything you're searching, if you're searching anything, please add fake or view to whatever prompts you're putting on Google. Like if you are searching for, what's it called? For example, let me use my brand name. If you're searching for Joan Beauty on Google, after typing Joan Beauty as the prompt, ensure you add, is this person real or fake? Or add Joan Beauty and add real or fake to it. That way you'll be able to get all the information you need from that prompt. Okay, so that way you'll be able to get all the information you need, and you'll be sure of what you're going into, if it's from a real page or from from scammers. I wasn't happy that money went like that, but at the same time, I have to move on with my life and get back to business, to focus and do other things that will benefit me. Next time it won't happen to me again because I already gained wisdom from this. Okay, and ensure that lastly, ensure that whatsoever that you're paying money into as a business account. Okay, even with a business account you can still be scammed.